ZTelec Group is a supplier of insulation materials for transformers, motors, and other electrical equipment. It has a 67-year history of producing insulation materials. XuJue is an insulation material company belonging to the ZTelec Group, which is the earliest company in China to specialize in the research and development and production of electrical insulation materials. It is still the wholly owned sponsor of the Insulation Materials Research Institute, has the most complete laboratory and R&D system in the industry, has established close cooperation with more than 30 sales agents, logistics centers, and service centers around the world, and is committed to providing customers with complete electrical insulation system solutions and reliable quality products. We are not only equipped with the most advanced technology, but also equipped with well-trained employees and engineers to guarantee the production capacity needs of customers every month. Our core products are electrical insulation boards, electrical insulation tubes, electrical insulation rods, insulation paper, laminated wood, processed parts, etc. As a national high-tech enterprise, we are committed to innovation and cost competitiveness, which has helped us gain a considerable market share. We fully understand the importance of insulation material quality to transformers, as it affects the service life of transformers. Therefore, we have been committed to producing high-quality insulation materials that meet customer needs. Our focus is to provide customers with the best quality products and services. We supply our products to all parts of the world through trading companies and agents. We have won the trust and continuous support of our customers by providing high-quality products and services.
We can supply insulation materials with various properties which can meet your requirements. Welcome to contact us.